Do you have perfect gallery wall frames with chipped corners? So do I. Let me show you how I fixed it. I used leftover pieces of wood from my slat wall DIY project. First, I measured everything and make sure to measure twice, maybe 3 times or even 7 times because I had to redo my cuts. So once you have everything measured, make your 45-degree angle cuts on the miter saw. You can use a miter box if you don't have one. I dry fitted everything on the frame, made sure that I like it, and made the rest of my cuts. I just had to cut, and cut. When I had all of my cuts made, I brought everything inside to put it all together. I used my bread nailer to secure wood on top of the frame to cover up those ugly corners. But here's where I made a mistake. I didn't pay attention to where I put my bread nailer and I messed up the acrylic overlay. Luckily, it wasn't glass, so I need to go to IKEA to replace this one. I want to say that I figured it out and the rest of the frames were easy peasy, but nope, I messed up the second one, but that's history. And once the wood was attached to the frame, I used a wood filler to fill in all the nail holes. And here's the reminder of empty room before. And here's me, smiling because I'm so happy I was able to save these beautiful frames and get to enjoy our family pictures for years to come. If you like this IKEA hack, save it and follow for more DIY.